Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to add neon effects on your pictures. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. So first of all you need to download an application that is neon. So we will go to your Play Store. So here you will simply tap neon FX. So this is the application which you need to download, and then afterward it's downloaded and then you will open this application. So when the application will be opened, you will simply tap on so it is a ad here, sorry. So here is the spiral which is written motion effects, angel, lightning, spiral. So these are the effects of the application. So you will simply tap on the effect, and here is the option of a picture which you want to add a neon on the picture. So you will simply tap on gallery. We will select any of the photo which we want to add the neon. We will select this one photo. That is the ad here. So the photo has been added. So here at the next of the crop, here there is a spiral. You will simply tap on spiral. So here are the neon effects which you can add. You will simply tap on any of this neon and then it will edit it like this, and from here you can change the color of your neon lighting as well. So here is the colors. So this is the second of the lighting. These are the neons which you want to add. So afterwards applying, and you can simply save it in your gallery. So these are the effects. You can see different effects here. This is a very easy process of adding a neon on your picture. So which one do you like? You can edit it and save the picture in your gallery. So these are the wings here. So you will simply tap on any of the wing which is completely good for the picture, looking good in the picture. So this is the process of adding the neon at your picture. So afterwards at the top corner there is a apply option. We'll simply tap on it. Here are some ads. So you will simply tap on export, and the picture has been saved in our gallery. So this is the process of adding a neon on your picture. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.